Are you ready for the next big thing from Apple? Well, hold on to your hats because the iPad mini 7 might be just around the corner. That's right, we've got some fresh rumors about when you can expect this little powerhouse to drop, but here's the thing. It's all still a bit of a mystery. Intrigued? Let's dive into what we know and what we think is coming. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Feeling overwhelmed by SEO? Meet SEMrush, the all-in-one tool that takes the guesswork out of your digital marketing. With SEMrush, you can analyze your competitors, find the best keywords, and track your rankings all in one place. Join thousands of marketers who trust SEMrush to boost their online visibility. Start your free trial today and watch your business soar. Let's back to our video. Alright, let's rewind to last month when Bloomberg's Mark Gurman dropped a juicy tidbit. Apple's working on new iPads and the iPad mini was on deck for an October reveal. Everyone got hyped thinking we'd see it alongside the first ever M4 Max. Fast forward to today, and Gurman's tone has shifted a bit with his latest report saying the iPad mini 7 could launch by the end of 2024. Yeah, I know potentially is a vague word, a classic Apple keeping us guessing. But what's cooking under the hood of this mini marvel? Well, the rumor mill is spinning with some exciting updates. We're talking a faster chip, which we all know is needed if you want to stay ahead of the game. But wait, there's more. Upgraded front and rear cameras, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 support, and finally a fix for that pesky jelly scrolling issue that's been bugging us in portrait mode. And to top it off, we might even get some slick new color options. Who doesn't love that? Now let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the last iPad mini? It dropped back in 2021 with some solid features for its time. A larger 8.3-inch display, USB-C port. Thank you, Apple. The Touch ID power button and the A15 Bionic chip. Oh, and how could we forget 5G support and that 12-megapixel rear camera with center stage. Plus, compatibility with the second-gen Apple Pencil was a game changer for all the creatives out there. So, the question is, what's next? Ming-Chi Kuo, our favorite Apple supply chain detective, says mass production for the iPad mini 7 should kick off in the second half of 2024. Does that mean it'll hit shelves before the year's out? Maybe. Or maybe Apple is just keeping us on our toes like they always do. Whatever happens, one thing's for sure. The iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be worth the wait. So what do you think? Will Apple surprise us with an early drop? Or are we waiting until 2025? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're excited for Apple's next big reveal. Oh, and hit subscribe so you don't miss any updates on this tiny but mighty device. See you in the next one, tech fans. Peace.